So first, we had a great instructor. We all love Jayden. We love the way he taught. Really appreciate it. And so our first thought process was that we wanted to. We were all fans of Mario, and we all wanted to develop something like the Bowser boss fight. And that's where we were going towards, but then we realized we were overambitious with our goals, so we had to cut down on some things, and we also decided to split up the roles. I was supposed to do the animation and the projectiles. Brayden was supposed to do the
game design, like making the sprites and like making them move, like the showing them moving.
Yep, Brayden made the move, and then we had Tameem, and Tameem was in charge of the boss, like the boss's movements, the boss's actions, all of that. And Imran was in charge of the level design. And sadly, they both had to leave early from the meeting, so they're not here, but we all did work. Do you want to present it, Brayden?
I don't. Do you have it open? Because I don't in mine.
Okay, I just opened it.
Awesome.
All right, let me screen share. All right, are you able to see this? Let me.
Yep.
Okay. So this was our loading screen generated by AI. It's with the castle theme. You press any key to start. So it could be spacebar. And this was the, well, we had to scrap a lot of it, but this is our main idea. So it's a boss that chases the,
chases the player around.
That chases the player around, and there's a score. But the problem was that we were very ambitious with our goals, and we had to scrap a lot of them due to time constraints and a lot of bugs. It was initially supposed to be the boss shooting projectiles and the player supposed to get behind the boss. We couldn't figure that out. So we ended up making the game more like this. And the score counter does exist. I just don't understand. We couldn't get it to show up on the screen, but it is being stored. And yeah, it wasn't the greatest success, but we could easily improve this. And we have the code to do that, but yeah.